Back with another install, and today's wig is a water wave bob. It is such a beginner friendly wig, and I think it's also perfect for the summer, being that it is water wave and it can get wet and it's short, so you ain't got to worry about being too hot. Probably took me all of 5 minutes to install and style it, so if you're looking for your new look this summer, keep watching this video. So the wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. Along with the wig, they sent over an elastic band and wig caps because you're literally not going to need much to install this glueless wig. Upon taking it out of the bag, I will say the water wave texture was very defined. And you can see that it came pre-everything, so pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and it even came with the deep side part already in it. And I like to do a little hand test to see what the lace is giving, and I felt like it looked really good. And then also I'm just checking out all of the features on the wig. So it has the elastic drawstring, it has the adjustable band to keep it on your head nice and tucked, it had the combs, it literally had everything that you need for a wig to be basically considered glueless. And before putting it on my head, I usually go ahead and make all my adjustments beforehand. So I just tighten it up, pull the drawstring, because I know my head is little, so yeah, I just get it done beforehand. And that's what it looked like straight on without me having to do anything to it. And I say we was really off to a good start. I feel like all I wanted to do was just define the part a little bit more, which is what you guys see me doing here with just using a rat tail comb and my hot comb, and of course adding me some baby hairs, because I always say what's a curly wig without baby hairs, especially a side part. And then after that, I'm just checking it out, because honestly I could have been done right here, but of course I like to add a few little things to shape the wig for me. So I decided to go in and cut it just a little bit in the front to layer my face more, because I don't know, I feel like my head is small, so I think like when I put on wigs sometimes like I just need to kind of shape it to fit me better, and you can't tell me that that didn't look better right there. Not layer my face, I meant frame my face, but yeah, y'all get what I'm saying. After that, I did want to see what she was giving wetting it, because it is a water wave wig, like duh, that's the whole purpose of getting something like this, especially for like a vacation and stuff, because you're going to be at the beach, you're going to be in a pool, so we need to see what it's going to be giving wet. And I did end up spraying pretty generously with the water, and after that I went in with some mousse, but I really didn't use much mousse, because one thing about it, I don't like my wigs to be giving crunchy. I just wanted to define the curls, so that's why I only use a little bit. And honestly, since the curls were already so defined, that was another reason. Like I just didn't feel like I needed too much product. And I think that I could say I like the wig both ways. If you know me, you know I really love big hair, but I definitely just wanted to like test it out and see what it was going to give wet. So I did go in and blow dry it, because I did want to get back to like that initial look. And I honestly think it just looks even better than the initial look, because it did need that little water and a little product, and now we get like the full potential of what this wig is really giving. So yeah, overall I think that this is such a cute wig. I will say she's a bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm not mad at it. I could literally see me in this wig in a bathing suit, and if you're looking for a perfect summer wig, here it is. And of course I'm going to leave the details for this wig down below in the description box, so you don't have to go looking too far to get this specific wig or any of the wigs that Beauty Forever has. They really have a good selection of wigs. But shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And now it is time to get into